My name is Amy Smith, and I'm an assistant professor of biology here at Simon's Rock. I teach a variety of biology classes, so for anywhere from intro to biology to cell and molecular biology. I teach an astrobiology course that's really fun, microbiology, and neurobiology. I am really interested in how microbes on Earth, especially those that live in extreme environments, could tell us more about how life on other planets may or may not exist and how they are able to survive. Organisms that grow in extreme environments like hydrothermal vents or volcanic environments, anything that's really extreme, and what types of organisms are living there, what do they eat, what types of metabolisms they have. So I do a lot of genetics and genomics work in the lab to try to understand that in a little bit more detail. And I'm also interested in the potential for life on other planets. So I apply what I learn from those microorganisms or those other organisms that live in those environments to help us understand more about life on other planets. I do work with NASA on a regular basis, and I have a couple of students right now that are actually being funded by NASA to do research in my lab, and they're working on some of my samples that I've collected in the past and trying to understand more about them and learning all of these really cool techniques that most kids their age won't get to do. I love teaching early college because the students are kind of like little jewels to me. They are this really amazing minds that are really excited to learn. They get really excited for either working in the lab or going outside, and they still have a little bit of that kid-like. They still want to play a little bit, but just a little bit. So it's really fun to, teach science to that age group. I cry when they leave sometimes, I get a little emotional, a little attached to people, but it's just such a small community and it's such a beautiful location, and I just love coming to work every day. It's such a rewarding job. I love it so much.